I'm Nor.
And I'm Jonas.
And this is Symphonic Planet.
We travel around the world in search of unique sounds and inspiring music to share with you.
Today we're in Death Valley, California, and we're going to explore one of the most fascinating sound phenomena in the world, the singing sand dunes.
There are only about 35 sand dunes around the world that create this incredible sound, and one of them can be found here in the California desert. It needs to be hot for this to work, and Death Valley is one of the hottest places on Earth. Every year people die here, so we have to be extremely careful and well prepared for this recording session.
I brought so much food, like a gazillion vegetables in there.
Are you gonna start a farm?
Yeah. We spent the night at the foot of the dunes and started our hike an hour before sunrise, which gave us enough time to reach some of the higher slopes where the phenomenon occurs. The sound of singing sand appears in nature when strong winds create an avalanche of sand sliding down a steep slope. But there was no wind for us, so we had to get creative.
And this is how it works. The sound is created by the dry layer of sand rubbing against the layer of wet sand below. Similar to the bow on a violin or a cello, where the bow needs to stick to the string to create vibrations, the sand grains create their own little vibrations when sliding down the hill. Scientists are still not able to fully explain this phenomenon, which makes it even more exciting for us to record and share. Driving through the California desert, there's one thing you can't miss. Abandoned ghost towns with a lot of history.
We stopped at Ballarat, a small supply town at the outskirts of Death Valley. When it was active at the end of the 19th century, it served as a gathering place and central hub for workers working in the nearby mines. This is where we met Rocky, the only resident of this town.
It started about 1897 and went out in 1917. The highway was right through here, so everybody that was going this way would come right through Ballarat. The town was right out here in the front now. Actually, this wasn't, it was a town, but it was a supply post. They had a bank, a post office, a store. You get weird people coming out here like the Manson family and stuff, you know. The Mansons used to come in here and buy stuff, they charge stuff. It's not the kind of people you'd really want for a neighbor.
Mass murderer Charles Manson and his followers used to hide out just a few miles from here and left their marks. This truck belonged to Tex Watson, the top lieutenant of the Manson family who was responsible for a lot of the killings.
His name's on the paperwork. Tex Watson must have accidentally got the truck legally somehow.
Here, of all places, we found our next instrument, an old piano that has seen better days.